Are you making this common breakfast mistake that could be harming your health over 50? Imagine that every morning you have the power to significantly impact your health and well-being. Especially after reaching the age of 50, our bodies start a new chapter with unique needs and responses. The choice of your first meal of the day could be crucial in unlocking optimal health, where every nutrient has the potential to strengthen your body against aging, boost your energy, and enhance your natural defenses. However, some breakfast rituals, ingrained in our routines for decades, might subtly undermine our health rather than nourish it. My friend, I reviewed lots of studies to bring you the most accurate information on breakfast habits after 50. Let's explore these habits, which at first glance seem harmless or even beneficial. But what if we revealed that these daily choices could close the doors to vitality and open the way to subtle yet cumulative health problems? My friend, are you ready to face this reality and redirect your path toward healthy and energized aging? Low-fiber cereals. Cereals are a common breakfast choice, promoted for their convenience and health claims. However, many popular cereals are highly processed and contain insufficient amounts of fiber, in addition to high levels of added sugars. For individuals over 50, a high-fiber breakfast is vital for maintaining digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, promoting satiety, aiding in weight management, and preventing chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Low-fiber cereals can lead to blood sugar spikes followed by rapid drops, causing fatigue and early hunger. This instability can be particularly harmful to older individuals, increasing the risk of insulin resistance and compromising metabolic function. The lack of fiber can also negatively impact gut health, crucial for nutrient absorption, immunity, and inflammation prevention. To ensure a nutritious and balanced breakfast, choose whole grain cereals rich in fiber, such as oats, quinoa, or bran-based cereals. Complementing breakfast with additional fiber sources like fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds can further enhance the nutritional value of the first meal of the day, supporting overall health and well-being at maturity. Excessive coffee consumption. Coffee is one of the most consumed beverages globally, especially as part of the breakfast ritual. While 1 or 2 cups can offer benefits like increased alertness and potential antioxidant effects, excessive consumption can lead to health issues such as increased anxiety, sleep disturbances, high blood pressure, and potential dependence. Moreover, coffee can interfere with the absorption of essential minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium, particularly when consumed in large quantities or close to meals. For individuals over 50, moderation becomes even more crucial, as metabolic changes and increased sensitivity to caffeine can intensify with age. Excessive coffee consumption can exacerbate conditions like osteoporosis and heart arrhythmias, which are more prevalent in this age group. Additionally, caffeine can raise cortisol levels, the stress hormone, leading to chronic stress and inflammation, contributing to accelerated aging and chronic diseases. It's recommended to limit coffee intake and consider alternatives like herbal teas or decaffeinated coffee to avoid potential side effects. Diversifying beverage choices can help maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, minimizing the risks associated with excessive caffeine consumption. Ensuring adequate hydration by drinking enough water throughout the day can also help mitigate some of the diuretic effects of coffee. Packaged fruit juices. Even fruit juices labeled as 100% juice can be deceptively harmful when consumed in excess, especially for individuals over 50. Although made from fruits, these juices have their fiber removed during the extraction process, resulting in a high concentration of fructose, the fruit sugar that is rapidly absorbed by the body. This can lead to blood sugar spikes similar to those caused by other sugary drinks, increasing the risk of insulin resistance, obesity, and heart disease. Regular consumption of packaged fruit juices can contribute to excessive calorie intake without the fiber content of whole fruits. Juices offer little satiety, leading to increased food intake throughout the day. This is particularly concerning for individuals over 50 who generally have lower caloric needs due to decreased basal metabolic rate and physical activity levels. A healthier alternative is to consume whole fruits, which provide the necessary fiber to slow sugar absorption and increase satiety. Whole fruits offer a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in a low-calorie package. For those who prefer a beverage, smoothies made with whole fruits and vegetables with added protein, such as yogurt or protein powder, can be a more nutritious and satisfying option for breakfast. Lack of quality. Protein. Adequate protein intake is crucial for maintaining health, particularly after the age of 50, when the risk of sarcopenia, the degenerative loss of muscle mass, increases. A protein-rich breakfast can help prevent this condition by promoting satiety, regulating blood sugar levels, and providing the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Many traditional breakfast options are loaded with carbohydrates and low in high-quality protein, contributing to nutritional imbalance and muscle loss over time. A protein-deficient breakfast can lead to increased consumption of less healthy snacks throughout the day, as protein is essential for satiety. This can result in higher caloric intake and potentially weight gain, conditions particularly difficult to manage at an advanced age. Adequate protein intake is essential for maintaining a robust immune system, crucial for fighting infections and diseases, especially at older ages. Including sources of high-quality protein in breakfast such as eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, fish, or tofu can offer significant health benefits. These options provide complete proteins and contain other essential nutrients such as vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids important for bone, cardiovascular, and brain health. Including protein at breakfast can also help improve metabolism and cognitive function, providing an energetic and nutritious start to the day. Neglecting vegetables. Including vegetables at breakfast may seem unusual to many, but their integration into this meal can provide significant nutritional benefits. Vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all essential for optimal health and disease prevention. Many people focus on cereals and proteins at breakfast, missing the opportunity to include nutrient-rich vegetables that help combat inflammation, improve digestive health, and support immune function, particularly important for those over 50. Including vegetables at breakfast increases daily nutrient intake and helps diversify the diet, crucial for obtaining a wide range of micronutrients and phytochemicals. This can be particularly beneficial for eye, bone, and cardiovascular health, areas that often become concerns with age. Vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, helping with weight management and promoting satiety, reducing the craving for unhealthy snacks. Incorporating vegetables into breakfast can be as simple as adding spinach to a smoothie, making an omelet topped with tomatoes, bell peppers, and mushrooms, or serving sliced avocado with eggs. These options make breakfast more colorful and appetizing and ensure a nutrient-rich start to the day, laying a solid foundation for healthy eating throughout the day. Refined white bread. White and refined breads are often a staple of many breakfasts, from toast to morning sandwiches. However, these foods undergo a refinement process that removes fiber, bran, and essential nutrients from the grains, resulting in a high glycemic index product. For individuals over 50, regular consumption of refined bread can contribute to increased blood sugar and insulin levels, elevating the risk of developing insulin resistance and metabolic diseases such as type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the lack of fiber in refined bread can negatively affect digestion, leading to issues such as constipation and intestinal discomfort. This is particularly relevant for older individuals who may already face changes in digestive function due to age. Refined bread offers little in terms of nutritional value, such as vitamins and minerals, contributing to a less diverse and potentially nutrient-deficient diet. Replacing white bread with whole grain options can significantly impact overall health. Whole grain breads are rich in fiber, B vitamins, and minerals such as iron and magnesium, which are fundamental for maintaining energy, brain function, and cardiovascular health. When choosing whole grain products, check labels to ensure that whole grain is the first ingredient listed, avoiding products marketed as healthy but still containing significant amounts of refined grains. High sugar yogurts. Yogurts are often perceived as a healthy breakfast option due to their calcium and probiotic content. However, many commercial versions are filled with added sugars that can negate the potential benefits of the product. For individuals over 50, a high intake of added sugars is associated with an increased risk of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes, in addition to contributing to chronic inflammation, a risk factor for many age-related diseases. Added sugars in yogurts increase caloric content and can lead to blood sugar spikes followed by drops, resulting in fatigue and early hunger. High sugar consumption can negatively affect dental health, particularly relevant as we age, and our dental health naturally declines. Sugar promotes the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, leading to cavities and gum disease. Opting for natural or Greek yogurt without added sugar is a healthier alternative. These options provide the benefit of probiotics important for gut health and are rich in protein, which can help maintain muscle mass and increase satiety. Adding fresh fruits, a handful of nuts, or a spoonful of chia seeds to natural yogurt can enhance the flavor and nutritional value of breakfast without the harmful effects of added sugars. We realize that the power to shape our future is literally at our fingertips with every bite. Now, armed with knowledge, how will you rewrite the story of your tomorrow? Remember, the transformation begins with a simple decision. See you next time.